In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI images in Instagram group chats. So you want to generate an image in your Instagram group chats, then this video is actually for you. Looking here on the screen is the homepage of my Instagram app. So the first step you need to take once you are on your Instagram app like this is to click on the message icon at the bottom of your screen. So when you do that, you need to go to the group that you want to generate the AI image on. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button. So when you do that, looking here, you can see AI images. So when you click on that, you need to go ahead and click on continue. So here, you can go ahead and describe the image you want, or you can go ahead and select any image that looks like what you want. So here, I'm going to go ahead and describe the image I want. Let's say a goat looking so scary, like an elephant, but with a touch of lion. Then click on send in order for it to generate the image based on your imagination. So this is it. This is the image it actually generated for me. So you can go ahead and select anyone that you like. Then go ahead and click on send. So once you do this, it is going to be sent to the group chat. So this is how simple it is to generate AI images in Instagram group chats. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. You're welcome to App Fix and In. See you in the next one.